Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be playing another horror game, guys. As you can see in the title below, this game is called IT. Yeah, it's from the movie IT, Pennywise the Clown. Yeah, that crazy stupid big fat monster. Yeah, so guys, this game's so exciting. Yeah, so guys, after having some mental breakdown from playing Granny from my previous videos, guys, I am now finally recovered and I'm ready to kick some ass again. I'm ready to play some horror games. I'm ready to get my mental head break down again and my heart break again. Yeah, by some stupid game, not by some human. Okay, that was really funny. Whatever. Okay, so guys, this game, I've seen some videos of this game and it looks really cool. Okay, it's not scary as Granny. Not the jump scare isn't that, not that scary like So yeah, guys, let's do this, guys. Let's check this out. Play mode. Baby Pennywise moves a bit slower. Pennywise chase you for a short time. Not recommend for criminal. Okay, yo, let's go. Relax. Nah. Pennywise can't see. Okay, this is too easy. I guess it wouldn't be fun. Ghost. Pennywise can see you as adult. I'm an adult, but I can't play this mode. Nightmare. This is too much for me. I'll play it after I, became more strong. I'm gonna go to baby. So guys, let's do this. Hello. Okay, where am I? Okay, this is my room. What the fuck is this? Death? Why is this thing on my wall? Who drew this? I'm gonna kick ass. Okay, who did this? Okay. Oh yeah, I got this knife. This is what I'm gonna do to you guys. I'm gonna cut your stupid ass off. Okay, so Bill, when you read this letter, I may have died. I was kidnapped by IT. IT lovers in this house and chase us like toys. Here's our first day after day. Get out of here. Don't look for me. I drew the house map. Take it in case. Okay, whatever, guys. I don't care where you are. I just need to leave this house and, not die like you, stupid ass. Okay, let's do this, guys. Open the door. Wow. Nice passage. Okay, who's outside? Why is everything dark outside? Okay, can I drink this? I'm thirsty. Nope. Okay, let's go here. Oh, what is this room? Kitchen. Nice. Okay, refrigerator. Freak Gamer 1. Okay, what is this? I don't know. Fish. What are these two guys doing in here? Who put them here? Why are they head in here? Oh my gosh. Oh, are you guys my friends? They're not my friends. Okay, whatever. I don't care, okay? I don't care these days. Okay, what is this? Fuse. Okay, what I'm supposed to do with this? What is this? Fuse box. Okay, what's going on? Nothing seems to happen. Let's go here. Okay. Where's Penny? I want to see him. Open door. Okay. Wow, what is this room? Really huge. This must be a dining room. What? Oh, matchbox. Great. Finally, I can smoke, but I need a cigarette. Open the door, you dumbass. Again! Same room again. This is a maze puzzle. Oh my gosh, guys. I hate this. Okay, let's go. We need to find something useful. Like Okay. Oh, why is this sofa like this? Stupid blood. Oh, what the fuck is that thing? Okay. Hey, what are you doing to my cop friend? Hey, guy, can I burn it? Use. No, I need to find an. Oh, knife. I have a knife. Kill you. Ah! Yeah, I did it. The spider human head is dead. Okay, use. Okay, what for? Okay, use. What I'm supposed to do with this? What I'm supposed with this spider head? Throw it in here? Can I? Nope. Okay, guy, what happened to you? He lost too much blood. I need to find a first aid box. Okay, I have a first aid box. Okay, let's go. Let's help him. Okay, I want to help him because he's a cop man. He must have a gun. Where are you, Penny? Oh wow. Oh, let's go this way. Interesting. Please, Penny, be kind to me. Oh my gosh, look at that picture. Oh my, oh, this is too much. No. Too much. I want to unsee it. Okay, this is so scary. Look at this picture. What the fuck? Her head, what's her head? Okay, this is the bathroom. First aid, finally! Let's go save him. Okay. Stupid ass. No, close to goddamn door. Please, Penny, please do not come in here. I'm too young to die, Penny. You don't have to do this, okay? I'm gonna take a bath. I need a bath right now. I need to do something. Oh, just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I want to do some stuff right now. This is not a good time to do this. Okay, where the hell is he? Okay, I think he's done. Let's go save the cop. Okay. Faster, you bitch. You run like a lady, guy. Whoa, no. Run. Let's go. Close the door, close. Hide. No, I can't hide. Oh, crowbar. Okay, if he comes in here, I'm gonna hit him with this crowbar, you stupid fat guy. I'm racist. Okay, we have here nothing. Can I use the candles? Oh yeah. I need to find a matchbox. I have matchbox. Light the candle. Let there be light. Oh, secret. Oh my god. Okay. I'll come back here later. Let me go save the police. Man. Come on. Please, Penny. Okay, great. Okay, let's go here. Close that door. Where's my first aid? There we go. Save his life. Great. This is great, guys. Thanks for saving me. You're welcome, dude. I'm looking for my friend. Do you see any girls? What the fuck? Girls? There's girls in here? So which means there's girls in here, guy? Oh my gosh, this is so interesting. Okay, let's see next. I don't see anyone. I came here to do some recent disappearances and have trouble with that monster. You should leave. No, I need to find my girls. I need to find my friend before it's too late. Maybe she's in danger. Ooh, must be his girlfriend. Okay, be careful. Take this library key. Maybe you'll find something useful there. Alright. Let's do this. I'm gonna save you, girl. I'm coming for you. I'm a Romeo. Let me... Music, okay. Okay. Oh, look at your face. You need to go to the hospital, guy. Oh my gosh. Thank you for that, Kay. Okay, where you gonna go now? You gonna stand in there like a stupid statue? Okay, whatever. Okay, let's go. Let's go find my girl. Okay. Earlier in the previous room there was a secret passage. I just opened a secret passage. Let's go see it first. I need to see. Oh, fucking fat Pennywise. He's back. He's back. I need to go in back with the policeman. Okay, close the goddamn door right now. Close. Gosh. Let me hide. Oh my god. This game is so what to say? Interesting, isn't it? Okay, I guess he's gone by now. Okay. What's a policeman? What? Oh, paper. Follow the trail of blood. Shh. Follow the trail of blood. Okay, I'm following. Okay. Okay, I'm following. Okay, it ends here. I'm supposed to do sit here. Okay, that's really stupid. Let's go find my girl. Where's she? Girl, I'm coming for you. Again, fuck. Why is he always on the same way I was about to go? Stupid. Hey, let it calm for a while. What do we have here? What do we have here? I can't see inside. I can't open it. Let's close it. Okay. Let's go find him. I'll find her. Syaidan. Ablangnya ngelawan mga lawan yarap mapi wat kuslay mga lawan. Okay, close the door. No, close the door. Door close. Oh my gosh, it is so annoying. Brick. I need a hammer. Fuck. Let's go to the lab. Ah! Oh my god. Guys, that was so scary. Jump scare, guys. I almost threw my phone. I got goosebumps. Oh my god, guys, that was too much, guys. I can't take this anymore. Okay, I haven't entered this room. What do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, let's find the library. Library, where are you, library? Library, are you in here? No. Whoa! Run! He's slow. He can't catch me. Fuck! I hate this. Where is he? Is he back? Okay, he's gone. Open the door. Close. Oh, look at this room, guys. Wow, projector. Okay. Oh. Okay. I need to find a phone. Shit. Oh, books everywhere. My goodness. Wow. Where's the phone? It's not in here? Okay, I need to find a phone. Oh shit. That was really... Okay. Let's go behind. Oh shit. Not again, Mr. Penny. Close the door, man. Okay. That was so close, guys. Why is everything dark outside? So weird. Okay, let's find the phone. Wait. Okay, there he is. Let's go this way. We need to find the phone. Okay. Please, please. Penny. No, not now, not now. Okay, okay. Great, great. Oh, shit. Run. Run! He's back! He is back! My gosh. Close the door, you dumbass. Gosh! Frustrating. So frustrating, guys. I wanna go upstairs now. I should go upstairs. I guess he's gone. Okay, let's run! Oh my gosh, this guy moves too slow. Are you kidding me, guy? Okay, please, Penny. Oh my god. Ah! No! Fuck this shit. How did I... Okay, 3. Now it's 3. Shit. Guys. That was so scary. Okay. What do we have here? Let's find a fucking film. Okay. Let's go in here. Nothing. Let's go here. Let's go. I need to find a film. Where is it? Let's go through here. Let's go through here. Shit, I'm in the same room again. Let's go through here. Let's run straight. Can I open this? No. Where's Penny? Penny, where are you? Please, Penny. Hey, Penny. Shape it on. Hey, Penny. Guy ngatin. Penny, shape it down. Okay, let's get back in this. Okay, I need to find a film. Okay, I haven't opened all of these drawers. Finally, film! Oh my god, let's go. Okay, calm down, dude. Okay, let's go in here. Holy! Let's try this door. Basement. Okay. Let's find the library. Let's find the library first. We need to find the library. Okay. Where is it? Penny, please do not. Okay. Close the door right here. Okay, finally, let's see what this film wants to. Oh, map of the city of Derry. Okay, property of Mike Helen. Okay, Derry. This is a map. I guess it's a map. Okay, close. Okay, I don't know what the hell are these. Shit. Burn in hell. Whom are you seeing? No. Okay, what do we need to find now? A key to the basement. Okay, let's go upstairs, guys. Follow me. What is this? Fucking rat. Oh. Please run. Too slow. Please not be here. Oh my fucking goodness me. Let's hide for now. Hide in here. Close the door. Great. Guys, I need to win this. I need to escape. Let's go. I guess he's gone. Great. Let's go upstairs. Fuck this shit. Ow! That hurts. Day 2. Okay, I mean 2. 2 more left. 2 more days left. Great. Let's go upstairs. Open the door. We have here nothing. Okay, library again. Okay. Goosebumps. Ah! Goosebumps. I'm having goosebumps. Okay. Let's leave this place. Right. Okay. Right up. Guys, so if you like this game, guys, go play it. Go download it, guys. You will like this game. It's really fun, guys. It's really fun. Okay, I need a password. Okay, I've been here. Okay, this is the door. Okay, I think there will be a key in here. Let me sit. Nothing. Here. Nothing. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's see. What do we have inside? Ew, battery. Okay, radio. Yeah, radio. Okay, radio. I saw the radio earlier. Let me see here once again. What do we have? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Radio. Oh my gosh. Goodness me. Close the door. Okay, he saw me. Fuck. Kill me. Yeah, good boy. Okay. Last day. This is the last day of my life and I'm gonna die. So guys, please forgive me for everything. Okay, I'm sorry if I couldn't escape. Maybe in the next video I will. So guys, just stay with me. Watch me till the end. Watch me how I die, Okay, they fuck this. Let's run. Faster, you bitch. Okay. Faster. What do you have here? I'm stuck. Okay, where's the radio? Okay, this is my room. My goodness. Oh, there it is. The radio. I'm coming for you.
Đây là tiếng nói Việt Nam.
What does it say?
Đây là tiếng nói Việt Nam. Đây là tiếng nói Việt Nam. Đây là tiếng nói Việt Nam.
What?
Đây là tiếng nói Việt Nam.
I can't understand what that said. Guys, I don't have my earphones and I can't even hear the sound of the game. I'm just playing it like my earphones are broken, guys. Yeah. So while recording I need my earphones, so if I don't have my earphones I can't hear. I need to find something to fix it. Fix it with this? Can I? No. Fix it with this? My stick? No. Fix it with this guy? No! That's stupid. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I died. I need earphones, guys. So guys, it's game over as you can see. So guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I will be playing this game again in another video, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, what the hell? Where am I? What are you doing? Oh my god, seems like he's giving me a, I thought he was gonna, stupid. But he killed me. By what? I don't know. Okay, guys. So, guys, see you in the next video. If you like the video, like and subscribe. And, guys, stay tuned, guys. I'll be back with another video. Bye-bye.